I couldn't think of a better place. It's changed my life. I couldn't have done it without this family, and it's family. The Skyline experience for me is just like being different by design. Some of it's like old-fashioned attention to detail, customer service that we all grew up with, and a lot of it's just the way buying ought to be. When you look at what we do and how we do it, it's designed to be painless. Part of that's for us because we want to have a good interaction in a low-stress environment, and the other's for the obviously for the consumer. I want somebody to be wowed. I'm looking for the reaction at the end of the install, like, you guys were amazing. And I want to hear about the whole team. I want to hear that, the salesperson was great, the phone call was great. It gives me goosebumps when I hear that. I think Jason, Chrissy, and myself, we really don't care about shades so much. We care about being excellent. And shades is a vehicle that we use to try to chase being excellent. We're passionate about being better than we were yesterday. We're passionate about making people better. We're passionate about teaching. The shades are just a vehicle for us to do that. I try to lead from the front, try to make sure I'm paying attention to the guys and make sure they feel empowered to do a good job. I make sure that they're in the good headspace, and that, because I used to be that guy that was just here to work. I don't want that. I know what that looks like, what that feels like, and not that I'm successful every day, that's what I'm chasing. I want everybody to be happy. I don't want anybody to think it's like it's a job. It's a career, it's a lifestyle. I'm trying to build something, and so I try to make sure that our team and our staff kind of feels the same way, and is looking more to build and less that I've been here 8 hours, it's time to go. Good fit for an installer for Skyline would be somebody ability to communicate, to instill confidence, to follow processes, to be a good team member, being willing to grow. That's the part I'm excited about as far as anybody that joins our team, is that we're growing, and not growing to be bigger, but trying to be better. We don't need everybody to work 1,000 hours. That's not a week. That's not the point. It's more that they're hungry to get better. They're hungry to do more. I just want to make sure that everybody understands what good company this is. I can't think of any other place I'd want to come in every day and be a part of, and I want to make sure people understand that.